yempedede ya bosom na sifam yempedede wonti ase na be ya asori akogogota koye wo ho Calvary wo ho eho na Yesu hu ije to wa ma Yesu anye to ayenara ya sasini ya abo denden ma ye moja ye nananum hwegu ho e na omode ji nkraza ase ne to wo ma Jesus nhwe moja hu wo ne nkraza ase to ho ma ye enti yesremo mo adaroma dede no mo mende kukuru ni jaye a keka no su be jaye
osofo your ones osofo no mo aba so mo pese omo be so peni na omo ni penifo be kasa anyhow mo pese omo kan no we are just warning them say omo pese ya ma woni say yen boy nyum ye born drums any bibia wow ye be chill so wo born drum na wo yes nyamanyama no a yen fa nchew and ye kasa you are make sure say we sorry no wo be yi fi sa say so fa manyaba yeah
1 month or 1 month or say 1 month Sunday baako 4 me nye dede me monyo omu to be preaching the thing kan fo atem say san kwase amamre ne wokroma say ma ye monyo no yendie ye na ya je awurade adina ye de ho atu awurade so no yasi ye be bonyo na mo ankasa asoli amoko enwum amubo eni asa amusa no nyansa be asma ayilele asejane say Yesu ni wayo wasma ayilele wasma ayilele wasma oti ase kwasia nyum kwasia dede wokoko tie nyame asasa wokoko sai nyame nim ne yesa tanye bible na munsua ya nyankopon nim yekwasa.
It's the God traditional leaders. Emra omudi ato oni we are so abrantie suko no ma ko Bible school 3-4 months bi awie apɛ kwan kyɛn ba bi apɛ nipa mata bi memata bi edidi omo ho efrɛ mo ho sɛ musum nyame a emra da ho nie ubedi mra no so an wadi so di na wasoma dwo wunni so a ye ba ka kyerɛ omo ye ba boys ye ba woni wo fidie ne wo machine nyina ba ka fa no kɔle nim ene wakɔ adwuma ba fia bre epe ba bi di uti ato afa asomdwe adama ade acha mo asakɔtɔ adwuma so no wunya so ubehu na nipa 2-3 bia ka mo abom mo aka mo abom na mo be dede munye dede na mo asakɔ first speaker e the microphone to ma no karai yesu da wa yo wasma ede basma na mimblemu mu. You don't know the importance of thinking in our society. We don't value the importance of thinking. So if we value the importance of thinking, we will value a serene environment, quiet environment. You know what I'm talking about? Kwesi Broni himself, the faculty and the fundamental of everything being in existence, working uprightly, being functioning, starts from thinking. Kwesi Broni values the art of thinking. And before one can think reasonably, find solutions to problems, make good decisions, make good choices, it demands proper thinking. And proper thinking comes out from a serene and noise-free environment. Itina manwane ding abenya wote woka mu bo aben kura no anya careful na bobo aben basa kura itimi e fine no mebo amunka njem say mebo fa to comment section no. Share this video for me. Kwesi Broni knows the value of thinking, and before one can think well, reasonable, functioning well, no, you need a serene and quiet, noise-free environment. That is why man on the one yenye dede o bo wonyum wo wa wo dem atie kura na manyo no dede nka dem ho a mo amoye nsori wa man on ho munim se wontimi nwie anya sori dede man mfiri o auditorium na wo church one disturb the next person enye sa ye ba be fine no mebo a edi entira Kwesi Broni nim se nipa hia ba bia ho ye din no watimi adwene na bra bo ho no watimi make right decisions na aboa moman no atimi akonkan nipa hia ba bia ho ye din no de adwene abi before abi man Ghana ye nim se nipa adwene so fa so ye nwene enti wo fa krom ba bia unya so na wo de adwene o te trotro mu tu kwan from one place to the other. Hey, yesu ni wa yo wasma Who flew bus? Hey, Jesus, eba. Who see from the station? Wa? Hey, I will braba. Yesu ni wa yo wasma. Utu 910. Yesu ni wa yo wasma. Utu 9 Yesu ni wa yo wasma. Ube drufia ufichire ho kwasi ampani ba beji na ho no ape mate egum, ape brass band, ape single band for Yesu ni wa yo wasma ti utimi nwiri na ye. Ah, ipa beje die no wo. Ipa beje die no wo. E fa na ba be piofa. Yankasa de na ndi kwase me pie ha o. Because adwene da metirim nya hafo adwene. Oka o mnte wase. Na baabi a wose me pie nya me utie me next time fa me to baabi ani party. Na wo de ba be pie baabi a okasa nipa nte wase. Awurade nyankopɔ. Society na team no nya society a human habitat o. Asa anim emwa no kora wa edi nti me kan ni ma jangle asa ma di mwa na tem. They did 24/7 choka all in the name of nyamesom. When ka chem say na esum nyame. Menya mo ho bre. Eti the God traditional leaders the omonasi form we a bema try. Onoko ba be eje. Me do ba so happy. Share this video for me.
I hope so. Be here. Already we are into real estate. I is dying, and I drew baby. I say, yeah, dear members, you know, I can't. You man, you know. I decided say, 10 blocks. I am a tall na medici my dino. I didn't know me because I mean creating something like this, like a block factory. I can say a bit to me the specification. I pay high quality. I bit to me. Nti dumasia your factory bi o ha ye nyuma ye wo dumasia nyina no na ye de ye and we've seen say materials no ye high grade make can blocks ye de ye nyuma no nti say e won kran ha so ye bi factory ni bi o ha ya ye twa blocks no bi ye de ye dwuma ye but I feel say your members do na so wa kwantu mu a at times e bi kura woni ha o si obi into blog no mo van ko ye de enkosi dan ma no. Many a times, no, but say blocks now I turning your papa. Blocks no, and your papa because we need into your to be akeke, no bonef, eh, the yamo. See, your members so here say on benya blocks because say machines, you know, the capacity no was wrong. Until you bit to me as a whole your members account. Until you be a transformation member now, person who see now blocks are. You try 5 inches, you try 6 inches, you try 5 inches hollow. And you 6 inches hollow. And it's central pavement blocks at the cajon. Now we know you have fine and cajon, a corridors and coin and 3/8 and the idea. The blocks on air concrete. They said, was if you know why you put an air concrete and a blocks in here. In fact, your price is far better than or more and changing now. Now you years who are put on the door, you're saying more free delivery account. Until your fee said, so we will be a member, and that's when you have blocks. Obit me a contact here, there will number there, or contact here. Yeah, work car, you bit to me a supply at the amount. Until you chat sand will have, you find me an interview BNC, or by how bones you near me because I don't want us to even have a near here. Say, be a mistaken, they'll bet me a mix it. No, yeah, the corridors on Coin and 3/8, you know, and nature. And a cement is you suit 32.5, you suit only 42.5 on Coin. Until the more you need good blocks on the son. The more and at the home yarding.
Me pacho download the Jupe free app store and as a Play Store see a menoka say never di usika money who do medi na Jupe and them the best offers and I said the best rate on the market. See a dollar rate no sikano see the ninya na ho den kakra no they download the Jupe app on the corner rate no Jupe app and the best rate on the market compared to all the other apps. Jupe all these benefits. In fact, the best rate one 5% discount and also one and a 0 charges. Who send this car Jupe until free and no than chance who send this car to mobile money account so and now send that to bank account so who put the panel telephone number pay na a deal they register no a year but that and ya free now because on send the DBA amount who bet me so send this car to bank account direct Jupe and amount this office. Use agent code CHABAM CHABAM in capitals CHABAM never do 5% discount on any transaction na obey bia use agent code no and that honum no in capital CHABAM piao. Mami fa wura JSI Care I word do me Kwabenya Boom Junction Kwabenya Boom Junction opposite the Shell filling station. Mami fa wura JSI Care. In fact, anything iPhone. So upe binato, upe brand new, upe UK used, slightly UK used, Bura, Jace Eye Care, or Kwabinya, Abom Junction, Abonsign any shelf filling station needed you any mono. Abonsign so why Jace Eye Care or Bura ho. Now when you want to say, Auto slightly used UK iPhone now, all types now, or mobile mount, all the accessories are kautono in box Aubina, talking of charger, screen protector, mount all these accessories. They said they were turn in box, which is unusual, which is not done so anywhere. Okoto slightly use UK phone phone and Aubina. But Okoto Jace Eye Care, they will give you quality charger, original charger, they will give you screen protector, they will give you cover. It's mesre. Upebi na tu, screen protector, anything iPhone, anything iPad, anything enter Jace Eye Care. I work with Bina. Omo number in the screen is on 026 73 70010 026 73 70010. Bura Jace Eye Care. I work with Bina ma boom junction. Omo sumbo sumpa. Junction ako. Piao.
Follow us on Facebook, Ofayal, the nation's uncle. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Nation's Uncle TV. Follow us on TikTok, The Nation's Uncle. The Nation's Uncle gives you the raw truth. Thanks for watching.